All right, so this is a fraud scanner that I wrote because, well, let me tell you why I wrote it. I started selling on eBay full time again, and I haven't sold it full time in a long time. But this time around, I'm noticing there's a lot of scams. Um, Now, what the scammers did to me, I mean, I've gotten scammed quite a bit so far, and what it's doing is it's tying up my money so I can't, buy other items to flip, and it's essentially costing me money. But one of the most sophisticated scams I saw was they're actually they're scanning the tracking database for the post office for tracking numbers that are going to the same zip code as the buyer they're trying to scam. So what I did is I called the post office and they told me it was a different address and everything, and eBay protected me. I haven't really lost any money due to the scams yet, but I'm losing, potential profit from, not being able to spend my budget when I need to spend it. So this is my solution to that problem. This is my framework. I've been working on this thing for over a decade. It basically manages everything in my life. But I'm writing this eBay marketplace. You can shop from the framework. But the reason I'm writing this is so I can see what listings are fraudulent and, well, let me show you how it works. Um, I'll show you. I've only been scanning one category because I noticed there's a lot of scams in this category right now. That's the graphics card category. Now, when I click on that, it's going to show me the most recent listings here. Now this one, I've seen this one quite a bit. You can see KW448, JR Coconuts. So that one's, this is probably a scam. More than 10, a Kingpin 11 gig for 150 bucks. Yeah, that's not real. But the problem is I'm limited to how many requests I can make to the server. So right now I've got it to where it can scan one listing every 28 seconds before it depletes my allowance. So I'm hoping that eBay will see the potential of this, and we can get rid of a lot of this. Let me show you how it works, though. I've got a little feature here on the results. You can scan the category. Now this is the scanner. Now this thing will keep running for as long as I have this up. So right now you'll see it. I got it set lower so you can kind of see that it's analyzing listings. But what it does is it imports all the most recent listings, and then it hashes the listings, and then this is what it spits out when it's done. I go to the fraud page. Now I got to optimize it. I mean, I've got experience with working with big data, billions of records, so I know how to optimize databases and partition them so it's faster than this. But I haven't done all that yet because I'm still, this is the third version of this that I've put together, and this is the best one that I've got so far. But you can see what it does is it spits out, like, it'll show me which listings, how many listings are identical to the current listing that well, this one is actually the data. I'm still analyzing a lot of data. I think the database was, I think I've only, actually analyzed a couple thousand listings with this. But when I get caught up, like say if I could get a limit increase, I could get this to where it could be like when I see a listing, it takes less than a second to analyze one listing. So, I mean, if I have the database built up, I could see, if a listing has been published before. Now, you'll see here, I'll do all four of these because this one shows the four. You'll see these all have the same images and descriptions, but they're from different sellers. Now this is how I tracked down. I found the dozen the identical listings from different sellers as the same listing that got me, and they tied up my money for like almost a month. So this is how I'm planning to prevent that. You can see same images, same description, different sellers. Now, a lot of these are stock images. Now, this one's probably not suspicious because you can see it. I show right here the feedback and everything. These are 41. These are legitimate listings. Now, I'll write into the analyzer. I'll consider all that when I'm working this more, but I'm trying to get a limit increase here. But you can see, okay, eBay got some of those. Like this one, they look like, okay, eBay got those too. But yeah, that's all I got so far but as it scans, I'll be able to, basically, when I get caught up in the database, I'll basically be able to do it in real time if I had unlimited access to, well, not unlimited, but if I had if I could scan the listings as they come in and analyze them, when they spit out the results, each result I could have it analyzed in less than half a second. But yeah, that's all I got so far. That's what I wanted to show.